Most people think lemon water is just vitamin C. Wrong. It dissolves kidney stones, reverses blood sugar chaos, and protects your heart. But only if you drink it correctly. Benefit number 3? That's what cardiologists secretly use themselves but rarely mention to patients. And here's the problem. 90% of people make one mistake that destroys all 8 benefits. I'll reveal it at benefit number 5. Let's start with what happens to your blood sugar in the next 10 minutes. Number 1. The blood sugar reset. Right now, 38% of American adults are pre-diabetic. Most have no idea. Your blood sugar spikes after meals, crashes by 3 p.m., and triggers that desperate craving for sugar and caffeine. Your pancreas works overtime. Eventually, it quits. By the time you notice, neuropathy, vision problems, heart damage, it's already advanced. Here's what changes everything. The citric acid in lemon water delays gastric emptying. Instead of sugar flooding your bloodstream, it's a gentle stream, no spike, no crash. European Journal of Nutrition. Lemon juice with high-carb meals reduced blood sugar spikes by 30%. Cravings vanished. Energy lasted for hours. The protocol? 8 ounces of lemon juice, 10 minutes before breakfast. Fresh lemon only, never bottled. Blood sugar stability transforms energy, but what it does to your arteries literally adds years to your life. Number 2. The silent heart protector. Heart disease kills more people than all cancers combined, and it's progressing in your arteries right now. 0 symptoms, 0 warnings, just silent damage until that first heart attack. Here's what cardiologists know, but most patients don't. Vitamin C and flavonoids in lemon water strengthen arterial walls while stopping LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. That's what creates the dangerous plaque. The potassium drops blood pressure naturally. Research shows daily citrus consumption significantly lowers heart disease and stroke risk blood pressure improvements. 2 weeks. Imagine your doctor saying, "Your blood pressure is perfect. Whatever you're doing, keep it up." Drink it first thing in the morning. Empty stomach room temperature. Never ice cold. Cold water constricts blood vessels and blocks absorption. But benefit number 3 is controversial. Weight loss clinics don't advertise it because there's no money in it. Number 3. The hidden metabolism weapon. Weight loss clinics keep this quiet. Lemon water is their secret weapon before pushing expensive programs. Your metabolism slows with every passing year. More stress, more processed food. You eat less but gain more weight. Why? Toxins stored in fat cells sabotage your efforts. Here's the breakthrough. Drinking water has been shown in some studies to temporarily boost metabolism through 2 mechanisms. First, hydration supercharges your mitochondria, your cellular fat-burning engines. Second, pectin fiber reduces hunger hormones without deprivation. One 2003 study found water increased metabolic rate by 30% for 30 to 40 minutes after drinking. However, subsequent research has not consistently replicated these findings, suggesting the metabolic effect varies significantly between individuals. If you're still here, you're in the top 12% who prioritize health. Most save videos and never return. Don't be that person, because what lemon water does to cancer cells is something oncologists rarely discuss. Number 4. The cancer cell destroyer. Every day, you develop cancer cells. Constantly. DNA damage from toxins, radiation, metabolic waste. The question isn't if you're creating cancer cells, it's whether your body eliminates them before they multiply. Most people wait until diagnosis. By then, you're fighting uphill. Lemon water contains limonene, a compound that triggers apoptosis. That's cancer cell self-destruction. In laboratory settings, your body convinces cancer cells to destroy themselves. Animal studies. Limonene inhibited tumor growth by up to 60% in certain cancers. Population studies show regular citrus consumers have significantly lower overall cancer rates. The strongest protection? Digestive system cancers, stomach, colon, liver. Consistency matters more than quantity. Daily consumption equals continuous protection. Years from now, you'll look back and realize this simple habit helped you avoid cancer entirely. But benefit number 5 saves you from pain worse than childbirth. Number 5. The kidney stone eraser. Kidney stone pain, worse than childbirth, according to people who've experienced both. Excruciating waves lasting for days. No relief. Your kidneys filter 200 quarts of blood daily. When calcium and oxalates concentrate too heavily, they crystallize into stones. Doctors push expensive medications, invasive procedures. They ignore the natural solution in your kitchen. Kidney specialists know this secret. Citric acid in lemon water binds with calcium in your urine before stones form, a protective shield running 24/7. Journal of Urology. Lemon juice therapy increased protective citrate levels more than twofold, dramatically reducing stone formation. Critical fact: if you've had stones before, there's a 35 to 50% chance you'll develop another within 5 years without prevention. Prone to stones? Drink lemon water twice daily, morning and evening. But wait, before benefit number 6, here's the mistake that destroys everything. The fatal mistake. Most people make this. Using bottled lemon juice. Bottled juice loses beneficial compounds within hours of processing. Enzymes? Gone. Flavonoids? Destroyed. Always use fresh organic lemons. Second mistake. Ice-cold water shocks your digestive system and reduces absorption by 40%. Use room temperature water, around 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Third mistake. Drinking with food dilutes stomach acid. Drink 15 to 30 minutes before eating. Fourth mistake. Ignoring your teeth. Lemon's acidity erodes enamel. Solution. Drink through a straw. Rinse with plain water after. Wait 30 minutes before brushing. Fix these 4 mistakes and you unlock benefits number 6, number 7, and number 8. Number 6. The inflammation assassin. Chronic inflammation drives heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, Alzheimer's. Your body attacks itself at the cellular level, accelerating aging and disease. Simultaneously, your liver produces bile to digest fats. When bile thickens, you get bloating, nausea, uncomfortable fullness after meals. Lemon water tackles both. Flavonoids like hesperidin neutralize inflammatory compounds. Citric acid stimulates bile production and thins existing bile for smooth flow. Studies show citrus flavonoids reduce inflammatory markers, with reductions ranging from 8 to 11% for certain markers like interleukin 18. Many people notice bloating disappears within 48 hours. Number 7. The immune fortress. Beyond vitamin C, lemon water provides antimicrobial compounds that destroy pathogens directly. It optimizes body pH, creating an environment where harmful bacteria and viruses struggle to survive. Research shows lemon's antimicrobial compounds eliminate 80% plus of tested bacteria strains. Regular consumers report significantly fewer respiratory infections. Recovery time when illness occurs? Cut in half. Getting through cold and flu season without getting sick once? That's the reality. Pro tip: add a pinch of Himalayan salt for electrolyte balance and enhanced immunity. But benefit number 8 protects the 2 things that define quality of life. Number 8. The brain and skin defender. Your brain shrinks with age. Toxins and inflammation damage neurons, memory loss, brain fog, decline. Your skin battles free radicals and declining collagen production, wrinkles, sagging, aging. Lemon water attacks both. Neuroprotective compounds cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting neurons from damage. Flavonoids improve blood flow to your brain, enhancing oxygen delivery. For skin, vitamin C drives collagen synthesis. Antioxidants neutralize skin-damaging free radicals from within. Studies show regular citrus consumption reduces cognitive decline risk. Cognitive test scores improve. Skin elasticity increases. Wrinkle depth decreases. Clearer thinking, more radiant skin. Both from internal transformation. The optimal protocol. Save this. Here's exactly how to maximize all 8 benefits. The formula: half a fresh organic lemon. 8 to 12 ounces room temperature water. Drink through a straw. 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. Rinse mouth with plain water after. Progression. Week 1. Start with 1/4 lemon if sensitive stomach. Week 2. Increase to 1/2 lemon. Week 3. Plus. Maintain daily consistency. Enhancement options. Add fresh ginger for anti-inflammatory boost. Add turmeric for antioxidant power. Add cayenne pepper for metabolism acceleration. Quality selection. Choose bright yellow lemons that feel heavy. Avoid green-tinged lemons. Store at room temperature. Roll before cutting to release more juice. Final word. You now understand why lemon water is medicine, not just a beverage. Blood sugar stability, heart protection, cancer prevention. Kidney stone dissolution. 8 research-backed benefits most doctors never mention. The question isn't whether lemon water transforms health. It's whether you'll start tomorrow morning before blood sugar chaos, heart disease, or kidney stones force your hand. Your body is fighting inflammation, oxidative stress, and metabolic dysfunction right now. You have access to a remedy that costs pennies and takes 30 seconds to prepare. Start tomorrow. Proper timing. Fresh lemons. Tooth protection. But here's the truth. Lemon water only addresses part of the equation. If you're dealing with autoimmune issues, chronic pain, hormonal imbalances, or stubborn infections that won't quit, you're missing the most powerful natural remedy used for over 3,000 years. Black seed oil treats conditions lemon water can't touch, and 90% of people use it completely wrong. Click the video on screen now. The 10 black seed oil benefits you've been missing and how to use it right. Don't miss this.